In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the site owner in Jira. If you need to hand over billing responsibility or update the main contact for your Jira site, this process is handled through Atlassian's admin area rather than inside individual projects. The good news is that once you know where to look, it's fairly straightforward. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to admin.atlassian.com. If you normally sign in through your Jira site, you can also start there and then move into the admin portal. Once the page loads, sign in to your Atlassian account so you can access your organization and site settings. After you're in, head to the main administration area and look for the billing section. Depending on your layout, you may see it in the top navigation or within your organization dashboard. Click Billing to open the centralized billing and subscription management area. This is where Atlassian keeps the higher level account controls, including the contact details tied to the site. Next, look over to the left-hand menu and find the section labeled Billing Contacts, or in some cases, Overview under the active subscription. Click that option to open the contact configuration page. Here, you'll be able to view the current primary billing or site contact connected to the account. Once you see the current contact information, look for the option that says Change Contact or Update Contacts. Click it to begin the transfer process. This is the setting that allows you to reassign the main contact without changing unrelated project settings. A search window or drop-down should now appear. In the search field, enter the email address or name of the person you want to assign. Atlassian will search your organization's user directory and display matching users. Select the correct profile from the list to set that person as the primary contact. Before you do this, make sure that person already has the proper administrative access, such as organization admin or billing admin, so the handoff goes through without permission issues. Finally, take a moment to review the updated details on screen and confirm you selected the right person. When everything looks correct, click Save or Update. Atlassian will then process the change and sync the new contact information across the site's administration and billing records, and that's it. You've successfully changed the site owner or primary contact in Jira. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.